Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both phones, update system software, and charge them to at least 50% so transfers don't fail. Once done, sign into the same Google account and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless transfers. If you plan a wired transfer, open Settings, tap build number 7 times to enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging. This allows a direct data link. Make sure you also back up critical data first, so you can restore if anything goes wrong. You now run the transfer. Pick cable for speed or wireless options like Smart Switch or Nearby Share for convenience. Once connected, accept any pairing or USB permissions on both phones and follow the on-screen prompts to select apps, contacts, messages, photos, and settings. Make sure to keep both screens unlocked and the source device awake. Once transfer begins, monitor progress and do not interrupt power. Larger media libraries can take a long time, so be patient and avoid switching networks. Finish by verifying everything copied over. Open photos, messages, and a few apps to confirm data and account sign-ins. You should sign back into two-factor apps and reauthorize payment methods where required. This restores full functionality. Once satisfied, remove the old device from your Google account and wipe it if you plan to sell or recycle. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of both phones, switch cables or Wi-Fi bands, and then retry. These simple fixes resolve most stalled transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.